in Azam City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
Again, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our local government unit who are with us this afternoon. We would like to acknowledge, starting from the left, Honorable June Carlo Moralion, Honorable Anfel Duhay Lungsod, Honorable Lordy Fuentes Cipres, our Majority Floor Leader, Attorney Marcelian Mars Tapayan, Honorable Dinky Zo, Honorable Kathleen, our ate from who is always with DepEd every bit of the way, Councilor Cecil Cole. We would also like to acknowledge Kuya, nalupigan ka Sir Dion, Kuya, Councilor Sancho Sunny Waminan Jr. Next is Councilor Marcelo, but I love to call him Archie Romero. Honorable Junjun Saki. Di na lang nato inogwan ito. Junjun na lang yun para more bagets. And Attorney Daniel Silang. And of course, our Vice Mayor Simplicia Betty Mary. And our incoming Mayor-elect Attorney Sam Norman Fuentes. Of course, with us this afternoon from the side of DepEd, starting with ingan siya, the beautiful, still active, our Schools Division Superintendent, Ma'am Min, ably assisted by Kuya Gapon, sir, ASDS Denicio Walmon Jr. May I request our EPSS who are with us this afternoon, Education Program Supervisors. Please stand. Also with our PSDSS. They are sitting with their districts. Of course, they are headed by the two chief of the Curriculum Implementation Division, Ma'am Anacleta Gakasan, and OIC of SGOD, Sir Janelle Guangco. This time, we would also like to acknowledge our partner, Barangay Chairman of the 17 barangays who are with us this afternoon. Tindog kami ang mga kapitan ng ani-ani karon. Daghan kayong salamat sa inyong presensya and to officially welcome us all in this afternoon's activity is our Education Committee Chair, the Honorable Cecile Y. Ho. Mayong hapon sa tanan. I would like to welcome everyone to this program and event, the first for the school year 2025 to 2026. It is always my honor and joy to be with my DepEd family once again after several months of nangabisita sa ato ang mga activities, no? On behalf of the City Mayor of Osamis, Mayor Indy Waminal Jr., the LGU of Osamis would like to acknowledge the presence of our incoming Mayor Attorney Sam Norman Cortez, my colleagues at the City Council, headed by City Vice Mayor Simplicia Bibinelli, Honorable Carlo Moraleon. Please stand up para makita how pogi our councilors and how pretty our konsehalas are. Honorable John Calduhay Lungsod, the Vice Chair of the Committee on Education, Honorable Lorraine Fuentes Cipres, our Majority Floor Leader, Honorable Attorney Mark Tapayan, the Honorable Dick Isweso, the Honorable Cataclyn, the Honorable Sancho Waminal Jr., the Honorable Archie Romero, the Honorable Vincent Saki, the Honorable Attorney Daniel Lau, and our Vice Mayor Simplicia Bibinelli. And I would like also to acknowledge everyone's presence, starting with, of course, ang atuang mga barangay kapitan. Please stand up and be recognized and be seen. Mga atuang mga barangay officials. And of course, our DepEd SDS, Ma'am Lipa Arlago,
Pero excited man gyud sila ma-receive na sa ilahang mga TVs. It's not just smart TV, pero 55-inch smart TV. Shall we give ourselves and the local government unit a round of applause as we now listen to the message? Starting off with our Vice Mayor, the Honorable Simplicia Baby Neri.
Good afternoon to each and every one of us. May hapon. Nay nangalipay din ho. Bitaw no? On behalf of the Honorable City Mayor, Abilinawi, niyaman sa attorney sa among atong Mayor Buhol. Hopefully by July 1 June 30. Sa akong mga kauban sa konsiho, our majority floor leader, Attorney Mars Tapaya, please. Okay. Honorable Lekis Wizo, Honorable Tatkatlin, Honorable Sani Waminal, Honorable Romero, Honorable General Sakit, at Honorable Attorney Daniel Lau, at Honorable Carlo Mulayon, Honorable Wailongson, and Honorable Lori Fuentes. Of course, ang atong Mayor, Attorney Sam Fuentes. Once again, may I say, good afternoon, kanatong tanan. We must be very happy, no? Kay the Asenso administration is always on the go in giving out whatever we can give to our respective schools in order to enhance the effectivity and the efficiency of the performance of our children, our pupils. It has always been the dreams and aspirations of the Asenso Usabis. Nga tanan yun, o Asenso, and it will start from the ground. Dili ba? And of course, we would like to acknowledge the entire efforts sa ato mga kinakusgan ng mga district supervisors, sa ato mga principal, sa ato mga superintendent who are working hard, no? Nanikamot yun na we can come up with a high standard of education. Ito palagpakan to be we deeply acknowledge your untimely effort because you have been our principal partner in the progress and development of Usamis City. Dili na ito makita sa mga infrastruktura lamang ang development sa Usamis City and the whole of Usamis Occidental. What is most important is what is the development of our children. They are, matupad ni Jose Rizal, they are the hope of our fatherland. At ang palakpakan, ang inyong grabing sa kaikan o grabing tinuha o grabing hako just to come up with a very kanaibutan natong mga bata na mga competent youth in their own respective fields. O kana, dili na hitabo hadnad for your untiring effort. So, saludo kayo ninyo mga principal, supervisors, inyong mga Santa Cruz Division Superintendent Ma'am Lago, o si Sir Dionisio, salamat kayo, Sir Dionisio Liwagon, and all of you, among yung gi-acknowledge ang inyong grabe nga paghago. Just so, to come up with a very standard children. And with that, ang atong pangamahanan is like to support the needed facilities, especially kani ato distribution karon. Sa unang panahon kami, silalong sa mangga, magtuon, no? But this time, high-tech na yung kaayo. sa atong mga kabataan through your effort also sa among mga sa kaninyong mga naghago, mga teaching force aron good that we can come up with a very standard children. Oh, before I forget, I would like allow me on behalf of our colleagues in the City Council to extend our congratulations for all the performance that you have and the past activities sa region. Daghang kaayo mga kanini ang mga sa nangalan inyong mga paningkamot dito nga you have been unworthy of the different activities. Salamat kayo sa anak na that it takes an extra effort on your part. So with that, sir, wag ko doon na po na i-contribute doon sa atong DepEd sa tanan yung mga gibuhaton. At all of you mga district supervisors na nakita din na mo ang inyong paningkamot. You are closely monitoring our children just so that they can have a very good performance, a standard performance. Again, congratulations and good afternoon.
Thank you very much. Our Vice Mayor, Simplicia Baby Neri. Shall we give her a round of applause? And next, to give his message to his DepEd family, of course, is the City Mayor-elect of Ozamis, Attorney Sam Norman Go Puente.
Please take your seats. Before anything else, allow us representation to give recognition to our Vice Mayor, and the City Council of Ozamis City. May I request them all to stand? I have been introduced thrice already, and I know you know that by heart. SDS Mimpala, ma'am, SDS Johnny Liwardo, sir. We schools supervisors present, various departments, school heads, punong barangays present, other employees of the DepEd, members of the uniform service present also here, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon to all. Before anything else, I hope you would not deprive me of the welcome you gave a third Councilor Cecil Poe as being a member of the DepEd family. For those who may not know it, I met the girl 37 years ago, married her, and she had been with the DepEd for the past 38 years, rising from a classroom teacher to supervisor, ASDS, SDS, and at the present, the regional director of the DepEd. So, I hope you would make me feel also as a member of a family, as I tried to make you as a member, as being a part of the DepEd. I also beg your indulgence due to some important aspects on the part of the Honorable City Mayor that he would not be able to make it today. So in behalf therefore of our City Mayor, Attorney Henry Indy Waminal Jr., our Congressman elect also for In fact, you might be addressing him later on as Congressman Ascenso from here on. Again, allow me to give the message for today. It is with great pride and purpose that I stand before you as we gather here this afternoon to bear witness to another significant milestone towards our shared vision, the LGU and the DepEd, for a better, smarter, and more progressive Osamis City. Today, we are formally turning over 241 units of 55-inch smart television sets for installation and utilization for the grade 3, 4, and 5 classrooms across our public school system, elementary schools in the city of Osamis. This constitutes the third installment of our bestowing this 55-inch set. If I remember correctly, the first set that we gave numbered about 183, and then its second was a little bit lower, about 69. Right now, we are at 241. And we hope to have this installed completely over all our classrooms later on in the future. Ostensibly, the smart TV sets will serve as powerful tools for learning, helping not only our teachers in delivering a more interactive approach, but also in the same token, grant our students access to a more modern educational context. Indeed, with technology, we have gone a long, long way from yesterday. With a smart TV set, what the teacher would be describing would directly be seen across, and this was a far cry when before, during our days, when only the teacher or the instructor had a book, and if by chance the picture or the image that she wanted to portray was quite small in the book and could not be presented in front of the classroom, the book had to be passed around for anybody to see it. Right now, with technology, you can access and you are not limited, although we have also internet service already, so you can access even throughout the whole world for such purpose. We look forward, therefore, that through this video, the teaching will be more engaging and interactive, now unbounded by the four corners of the classroom. Being interactive and fully engaged, you can go worldwide, even from your own classroom. This gives substance, concrete substance, I would say, to the pro-education legacy of Mayor Indy Waminara, and an important step forward to the vision for Ascenso Osamis administration. In addition to this, we are likewise turning over 6 school-related infrastructure projects. I know this has already been mentioned by Councilor Cesar, but for the record, allow me therefore to repeat it again. The construction of function hall at Narciso Ledesma Central School at Barangay Tabi. The construction and improvement of school fence and gate in Chancho Capa Integrated School in Barangay Bacacay. The construction and improvement of school fence and gate at Santa Cruz Elementary School, obviously at Barangay Santa Cruz. The construction and improvement of school fence and gate also at Manipul Central School. The construction and improvement of school fence and gate at Pulok Elementary School. And completion of perimeter fence for the Osamis City National High School here in These key infrastructures will make sure that our learning environments for our students will be more comfortable, safe, and conducive for growth or learning. These investments reflect the continuing efforts of the Asencio Osamis administration to prioritize education as a pillar of development. Viewed from this perspective, we can clearly see that these are not isolated projects. These are part of a larger, consistent, and long-term vision of the Asencio Osamis education agenda. We believe that the city cannot truly move forward unless every child is given the chance to learn, grow, and to succeed. At this juncture, as mentioned by Vice Mayor Pepe, the city government, the LGU, has really endeavored to provide whatever mediums that might be required to provide, to ensure that you would have ease in teaching, and on the part also of the learners, that they will have quality education. And as mentioned also by Councilor Cecil, some of these measures and programs and initiatives, I might say, are not only the first in the province, but rather the only. And this holds true even to the whole region, to Region 10, I mean. So there is something to be proud in the city of Osamis. However, the recent general assessment test, the results did not bode well for us. Not only did we did worse, we were trounced by our neighboring cities in the province. Another thing, for the past 11 years, it's not just a 2-peat, 3-peat, it's 11 years holding on title. And yet, a few months ago, we just unceremoniously vacated our title for journalism. W-H-Y and why? Why? Have we been remiss in our duty? I'm asking it from the perspective of the LGU. I'm asking you all. Have we been? Yes or no? There is no in between. It's either yes or no. I'm just asking you plain and simple. Have we been remiss in our obligations? Don't worry, now is not the time for bickering. Rather, this is a time for introspection, self-reflection. Because if there's one thing that benefits somebody who is down, is that there is no point of going down further. The only way to go is up. So let us work together. Let us lay it aside. We cannot stay with the yesteryears. We have to move forward. administration, and I am buoyed already by the support from Vice Mayor Bebineri and the members of the Sangguniang Panglusod of the City of Osamis. Let me assure you that we will continue to strengthen whatever initiatives that might have been started for the benefit not only of our school teachers, but not only for the learners, but also for our school teachers. We will further invest in the future of our youth and support our hardworking teachers. We will continue to use local funds transparently and responsibly to ensure that every public school in Osamis City has the presence and the support of the City of Osamis. Before ending, what I stated a while ago, now is not the time for despair. Before leaving, it was Mayor Indi, Congressman Asenso, who told me to please ask them about this aspect. But to ensure that you would have appropriate time to meditate, he and the City Council of the City of Osamis, headed by Vice Mayor Bebineri, saw to it also that since school will be opening on Monday, 6th June 2025, he and the City Council will be giving you a back-to-school allowance of 5,000 pesos, which will be received today. That is on behalf of all Asenso and the City Council of Osamis. So, murag gabahutan ang mga inyong mga dagway. To family, salamat kayo, and let us continue with your fervent service, no? And bear in mind the message that has been constantly hammered by the father of the Partido, Asenso Pinoy, that ang Usamisnon, invoking the core values of the Misamisnon, ang Misamisnon, matinahuron, matinudanon, matinabangon, o mahigong-mangon. Because if we have this in mind, then we will be assured of progress not only in our city, but for the whole province. Together, therefore, let us move forward, united in purpose, driven by service, and committed to the sense of vision for each Osamisno. Daghang salamat, o again, good afternoon to each and everyone.
In Osamis City, you're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel, serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel, serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel.